Here I have a simple LED Raspberry Pi circuit with a push button and an LED. The idea here is once I run this Python script, the LED light will continue to blink until the button is pressed, and when the button is pressed, the light will stay on. As you can see, we're connected power through here to the button, and then when pressed, it will complete the circuit continuously, and then it runs through the ohms resistor and back to ground. Otherwise, the output from the Raspberry Pi will blink on and off for a certain time. We have a look at the script real quick. Right here. Pretty simple. Okay, and now we will run the script. LED test. Okay. There it's blinking at 0.2 of a second, or 1/5 a second. And once I hit the button, press the button, the light should stay on. Let go of it, keeps going, on. There you have it. Thanks.